Hello, I am Sujith. I am doing my engineering in Sedu Institute of Technology. I have been passionate for Microsoft technologies since when I was a kid. The coolest operating system from Microsoft which I am eagerly waiting for is the Windows 7. Windows 7 is the latest operating system which came as a successor after the Windows Vista from the Microsoft stable. Though the finalized version of Windows 7 has not yet been released, we have the opportunity to download the beta version of Windows 7 from the Microsoft site, which is for testing purposes. After installation, when I first booted up the system, I was really surprised. The boot up speed of Windows 7 is much faster. It took only a few seconds to boot and has an elegant starting Windows screen. It has a new improved taskbar which is slightly bigger. In Windows 7, you can pin any program to the taskbar and launch it with a single click. The icons are also considerably bigger, so they're easier to use. They have also added a new feature called Jump List. It's a handy way to quickly reach the files you have been working with. Windows 7 includes a number of new features such as advances in touch and handwriting recognition, support for virtual hard disk, improved performance on multi-core processors, improved boot performance, and kernel improvements. It also adds support for systems using multiple heterogeneous graphics cards from different vendors. It has a new version of Internet Explorer, that is 8, new Windows Media Player 12, and new Windows Media Center. It also supports the softwares which are used on the previous version of Windows operating system. We have to just change the compatibility mode to the required OS. The advanced feature which is incorporated in this OS is improved device management. It accepts a wide array of devices. We can easily connect any USB compatible device hassle-free. A new technology in Windows 7 called Device Stage takes the device management a step further. Device Stage helps you to interact with any compatible device connected to a computer. We can see the device status and run common tasks from a single window. There are even real pictures of the devices connected. The device manufacturer can customize the device stage according to your specification. For developers, Windows 7 includes a new networking application program interface with support for building SOAP-based web services in native code. New feature to short down the installation times, reduced UAC prompts, simplified development of installation packages, and improved globalization support. Microsoft is also implementing better support for solid-state drives, and the new Windows 7 will be able to identify a solid-state drive uniquely. The hardware manufacturers has already started designing their device drivers to support their products in Windows 7. Recently, Nvidia has launched its GeForce and Enforce drivers to support both the 32-bit and 64-bit edition of Windows 7. The official system requirements are Windows 7 are 1 GHz or faster processor, 1 GB of RAM, 16 to 20 GB of available disk space, a DirectX 9 graphics device with minimum 120 MB memory to support the Aero Glass team. Thank you.